Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Sunday. I haven't done a Sunday in a while. Every time I've been doing them, they haven't been great. But we're going to start off with this one, $19.66 for 33 minutes. It's a little on the long side, little out of my zone. But if I'm going to get 20 bucks to start, I'm all in. Let's go grab it. Hi, picking up for Uber, 4BC59 for Melissa. Melissa. Oh, wonderful. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. So I'm en route to the drop-off, and get this, I'm going slow in traffic. Then they gave me this one, $8.07 for an additional 16 minutes. I don't actually think it's going to be an additional 16 minutes. I just have to go slightly off the highway, pick it up, jump back on, and both drop-offs are really close. You know what? That makes it almost $28 in the first hour. Sign me up. Yeah, Ubereats Reveda. Wonderful, thank you. So get this, I was doing that second drop-off, the one for the bubble tea, and I saw the comment that said this, good service equals upgrade to a bigger tip. So immediately I looked to see what's the base pay on that first order. Because it was my first order, I was able to see the base pay was $7.50, meaning that offer of $19.66 turned into a $12.16 tip. So when it all came through, I was able to see that this customer in the app gave a $1 tip, and it was $7.04 base pay. So I picked it up promptly, I delivered promptly, I followed all the instructions, house at the long driveway, I went there, I had it in a bag. Absolute perfect service if you ask me. Let's see what she does. I'd love to know what you think. Am I gonna get a bigger tip? Did I earn it? Because that's basically what she's saying. Do good service, earn a bigger tip. And if I don't get a bigger tip, I have no idea what else I could have done for a leave at door. Except take this one, $18.05, 41 minutes. It's a little long, but it took me 5 minutes to get to the restaurant, and it's a 15-minute drive to this place. So if it's ready, this can be done in 20, half the time, $18. Let's go get it. Hi, Uber Eats for Matthew. So I did both orders. It took 30 minutes, so still well above the time. Not the 20 that I thought it might have taken. 30 minutes all in for 18 bucks. No problem. I'll take it all day, every day. I'll also take this one, $8 for 14 minutes. It's really close. We're going to go grab that one. Stick with me. 1 or 2 more deliveries. We'll find out if that customer gave a bigger tip. Hi, Uber Eats for Melissa. Melissa, yeah.
The one with the hot pepper boy next to you would be appreciated. That's what I missed here. Hot peppers, hold on. That's the first one. X.
Total is $31.40.
The hot peppers, really?
I do Uber Eats, so yeah. No problem.
That's a 2.5
ready?
Sure.
Are you Uber?
Yeah, for Melissa.
Melissa?
Yep.
Perfect. You got 2 Cokes?
Sure. Regular.
I never do that.
Fries and the 2 Cokes.
2 Cokes, perfect, thank you. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. The results are in. That customer said, I am the greatest Uber driver in the history of Uber drivers. She gave me an additional $3. That's right. $3 because she said my service was out of this world, delivering a bubble tea in a bag direct to her door. Go me. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel because this is the greatest Uber moment of all time. But you know what else is great? This offer, $8 for 21 minutes. I'm going to a wing place that's always quick, so it's probably down to 15. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Alexis. Perfect, thank you so much. Appreciate that. Have a good night. Thanks. The offers have been slowing down, pretty typical for a Sunday night. Eventually I got one worth taking, $7.24 for 16 minutes. It's pretty close to home, so I'm gonna grab it. Get me over $70 at the 3-hour mark. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Jesse J. Perfect. Oh, thank you. After that last drop-off, I gave it about 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't get anything worth taking, so I'm going to call it a night. I think it's a pretty successful night. I ended the night at $72.02. Pretty good for 3 hours work. I'm really happy with that amount. I was only out for 3 hours, over $70. I became Uber Driver of the Year. I can't ask for anything more. I want to also thank you for watching. Thank you for being here along the ride, and we'll see you next time.